We're gonna be using the Buxom eyeshadow bar, and you guys probably already know this. These bars are customizable, so we're gonna be filling it up with the new eyeshadow single shades from Buxom, and there's 7 new shades. This is all Axis, and look, it's so easy. You just literally just pop it in there. And this is Moneymaker. God, I even love the name. And these shadows are primer infused, so it'll lock right into place. And they're super pigmented. I want you guys to see this green. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, so the other one that I'm gonna be adding is a top shelf. Pop it in there. Next, I'm gonna do high kicks. And these shadows have different finishes. Let me show you. This one is Unapologetic. So this one is a matte, and these other ones are shimmery, and they have this texture that goes from powder to silk, so it goes on so smooth. You guys saw Moneymaker, it just like lit right on. So I'm gonna use now Best Life, and then to finish off my palette, I am gonna do Hustle. So then after, you just pop it in here, bam, it's done.